Okay guys, today I'd like to tell you about the SKINWALKER ranch in southeastern part of Ballard in Utah in USA. This ranch is rather notorious for abnormal activities, paranormal activities, UFO sightings and whatnot. In fact, if you check the internet, you would find a large number of videos and images on the SKINWALKER ranch. This ranch have been transferred thrice. Its ownership has been transferred thrice in recent times. Now, what is unique about this ranch is not the usual UFO sightings. Now, these days UFO sightings is not even news because it's so common. You see this all over. So much so that UFO sightings are not even considered news. But then there are some other extremely curious, unbelievable and frightening, horrifying things that people have seen in SKINWALKER ranch. One of them is a large fox-like creature. It's pretty large, as you would see in some of these movies, which keeps appearing on and off. And many locals have shot at it, and this creature seems to be rather bulletproof. The locals believe that they have actually shot at the animal successfully so many times. They have shot the animal precisely, but the animal seems bulletproof. You can check and see the images of this creature on the internet. Some of them genuine, some of them false. But check out for genuine images. Now, in SKINWALKER ranch, there have been other mysterious and horrifying things. The locals have found number of dead cattle lying here and there in the ranch. Dead, slaughtered actually, with their body parts obliterated, but not even a drop of blood anywhere in the vicinity. As if they have been, these carcasses look as if they have been sucked out. They have been sucked of all blood and body fluids. They are absolutely dry and there is not even a trace of blood. Even though the carcasses are fresh, I'm not talking about a dried out old carcass which may not have a trace of blood. Fresh carcasses which look like sucked out without even a trace of blood. And this is totally unexplainable. A phenomenon which is not natural, quite paranormal. And of course there have been large number of UFO sightings all over the place. One more curious event about this ranch is that a lot of locals have reported sighting a lamp, a live lamp which is moving around with 60% of its body mass missing. In other words, only the head and the front portion of the body is remaining. Rest of it has been obliterated, removed from the body, but the lamp is still moving actively. And a lot of locals have sighted this lamp. And then there have been mysterious sightings of humanoids, werewolves, all over this ranch. Today, this ranch is a highly protected place with fencing, electrified fencing all around, inaccessible to people. But then this is one of the most curious, mysterious places in the world with not just one, a series of paranormal sightings and paranormal phenomena. I would suggest that you check out the net for the available images and videos of all these paranormal activities in SKINWALKER ranch. Now, there is a feeling, there is a consensus that this is probably one of the areas where the UFO landings and alien presence is more or less confirmed across the years. Because this has been a repetitive phenomenon seen by so many, there is a belief that it's very real. The SKINWALKER ranch is a favorite landing place and a favorite place for the aliens. And they keep coming off and on. Sometimes they have slaughtered local things, local animals. And what they have used for this is not a knife or a bullet, but some kind of strange weapon which simply sucks out the body parts, blood, and leaves a carcass which is absolutely dry, free from blood. And there is this curious case of the lamb with half of its body parts missing, as if dug out. There is no bleeding, nothing. It is as if cauterized. Half of its body is missing, and it's still moving around actively. And there have been dozens and dozens of sightings of humanoids and werewolves. So, if you get a chance, try and pass by SKINWALKER Ranch, and if possible, try to gain entry. In the least case, check out the internet for this curious place.